Under a round Baobab tree, a family of gentle elephants rested in the cool evening air. Leo, the little explorer, tiptoed by as softly as a drifting leaf, careful not to wake the sleepy giants. The mother elephant sang a low, rumbling lullaby that sounded like faraway thunder wrapped in a blanket. "Hush, hush, little one," she hummed, "hush, hush, little one." The baby elephant blinked slowly, then opened its mouth for a giant, bubbly yawn. Its trunk curled down and settled on the soft grass like a sleepy ribbon. Leo watched the elephants breathe in and out, slow and steady, like waves touching the shore. In and out went the warm night air, and the baobab leaves swayed gently above them. The baby's eyes grew heavy and peaceful. Mother elephant brushed the air near its ears, and the whole family seemed to glow with calm. Leo smiled, feeling his own steps grow slower and quieter. He listened to the lullaby one more time, soft as a distant drum. "Hush, hush, little one." Then the stars seemed to twinkle more slowly, and the world became very still and kind. Leo lay down in a patch of moonlit grass, and soon his breathing matched the elephant's calm rhythm. In and out, slowly, softly, and under the baobab tree, everyone rested happily together.